I know it's super early in the morning, or this is coming from, it's like 2:15, says 16 right now. I just had to turn on my light. I was waking to this. People working on the tracks, and there's all these just loud bangings, and I'm like, they're just like, is there something wrong with ducks? The duck system? So, I don't know what they are doing. Like they're doing work. I can see better here, but with the cameras, like, so I don't know what's. Yeah, dang. We're bringing a freaking power drill. Yeah, I thought it was just like the duck system. No, it's actually having the. It's actually just having a really good dream. I was in a food land.